Welcome back to the Data Analyst. Today we are diving into the paired t-test, a simple yet powerful statistical test used to compare two related groups. Whether you are analyzing pre and post test scores or comparing data from matched paired, the paired t-test is your go-to-go method. Let's break it down. The paired t-test, also known as the dependent t-test, is used to determine whether the mean difference between two related groups is statistically significant. The keyword here is related. For example, measuring the same group of participants before and after an intervention. Comparing the performance of matched paired like identical twins. This test assumes that the difference between paired observations are normally distributed. Before you perform the test, ensure these assumptions are met. Paired observations. The data must come from related groups such as the same individual measured twice. Continuous data. The dependent variable should be measured on a continuous scale like height, weight, or test scores. Normality. The differences between paired observations should approximately follow a normal distribution. This can be checked using normality test like Shapiro-Wilk test or visual method like histogram. Every statistical test starts with hypothesis. For the paired t-test, we have null hypothesis. The mean difference between the paired observation is 0. Alternative hypothesis. The mean difference is not 0. If you are testing for a specific direction, you can use a one-tail test. So these are the hypotheses for one-tail test. Null hypothesis. Mean difference is 0 or negative. Alternative hypothesis. Mean difference is positive. Imagine you are testing a new study method. You are measure student test score before and after using this method. A paired t-test will help you determine if the study method significantly improved score. Here's what the data might look like. Pre-test score 70, 75, 80, 85. Post-test score 80, 78, 90, 88. Let's perform paired t-test using SPSS. This is the dataset for today's session. We have two variables, pre-test score and post-test score. Go to Analyze, click Compare Means and click Paired Sample t-test. Put pre-test score into variable 1 and put post-test into variable 2 and click Options. In here you can see our confidence interval percentage 95. Usually we use 95, but if you want to use 99, let's put 99 here. Then click Continue and click OK. So here's our output results. So we got paired sample t-test like this, and we got our significant value is 0.049. So it's less than 0.05. So we can reject our H0. That means we can reject our null hypothesis. That means our mean difference is not 0.